Hi guys, so today I want to show you how to file documents for a matter that's already ongoing. So there's already a matter that you instituted and you want to add additional documents. So for the purposes of this video, you remember our case, you may want to check out our initial video where there was this case, Chief Justice versus HE, the president. So assuming the case has progressed and now you want to file additional documents. This is not a case that you've instituted today. It's an ongoing case. So it could be that you're adding any document from notice of motion applications to submissions. So today I want to show you how a submission can be worked on by advocates in the law firm and how the final product can then be submitted here on the e-filing portal. Remember, whatever is submitted here is as a result of work. So whether it's submission or notice of motion, it's as a result of people putting in the work in the law firm for them to have a final product so that they can be submitted here on e-filing. So today's scenario is there is a managing partner who is working remotely from his home, and there are 4 other litigation advocates who are also working from their respective homes. So remember, anything digital is to make our work easier and is to make us able to work remotely. COVID notwithstanding. So COVID could be there or not there. With this facility, people will be able to work from different locations and the law firm work will still progress. So let's get right into it. So remember, there are 2 scenarios here. There is the law firm bit and there is the judicial bit. There is a partner who will assign a task to some of their members. The law firm bit is here. All right. So there's a partner who will assign a task to some of his advocates, expect them to collaborate on working on a submission and ensure that the final product of the submission is filed on e-filing portal. All right. And of course, expect them to collaborate and come up with something more persuasive as compared to one person working on it. So I want to show you also the aspect of collaboration using technology and the tools that are available. Okay, so let's go right into it. The managing partner will come right here under tasks at his home or wherever he is. It could be on the greens shooting golf, and assign a task, prepare submissions. All right, you can put in a description there, prepare submissions and share with the rest of the team on Google Docs. And you can put in there, or alternatively, I think I covered this in one of our videos, you can use our voice to text technology. Now, voice to text technology, you don't have to type. You just speak to the machine and it types for you. And that's the future that we are looking at with now the judiciary deploying all this useful stuff. Prepare submissions and share with the rest of the team. See that? I hope you saw that. I can redo it again. Ensure that you attach all the documentation relied upon, including authorities. You've seen that? You can see technology has made work a lot easier. Look at this. Prepare submissions and share with the rest of the team. Ensure that you have attached. So all you need to do is now make a few edits. You don't have to type the whole thing. And then you can, now this is the partner assigning a task. You can put in when the task should be due. So that's 30th at 9 a.m. Sorry. 30th at 9 a.m. All right. And then the matter in question. Okay, if the task is of a certain priority, of course you can elect there which priority you prefer. whether it's high, low, or normal. So I say it's a high priority matter, and the matter in question is Chief Justice. So it auto suggests, and then I come and assign myself the task. Okay. So, but this is a simulation of a partner wherever they are in their houses, assigning an advocate a task. So the advocate will get the task. So I'll be notified that I have been assigned a task. All right. So now that I've been assigned a task, so there is the notification that I've been assigned a task. Be able to see prepare submissions, and share the rest of the team this. And when it's a high priority task due on that particular time. All right. Now, assuming this is a person who is also in their home. All right. So I'm demonstrating how remotely life has become with these tools. So this is a person who's at home. He has been assigned a task. He now knows what the task is about and by when the task should have been done. You can view full details there, right from the email, and see, okay, this is the task, this is the matter in question, and then you see this toggle. Once he completes the task, he will come and click here, but that's a story as we proceed. So now this person has received the task. He goes and prepares the submission. All right. So we'll also simulate the preparation of the submission. I'll go prepare the submission. Submission. So here is the submission, submission for the petition of judiciary, right there. So we're assuming this is, it cannot because the dialog is open. Okay, sorry. So we're assuming that this is the advocate who has been assigned, and there is a submission. So he's preparing the submission. So he comes up with the skeleton submissions, and then once he comes up with the skeleton submissions, he was told to share them via Google Docs. So he will come here and Google Drive and add the submissions in question. All right. But I had already added for the purposes of this video. So I'll just show you the submissions. There you go. He opens with Google Docs. Now, this is a facility that enables advocates to work remotely. So what he's going to do, he will copy paste this link right there, go to their law firm, search for the matter in question. This is Chief Justice David Maraga here, and then he can come and add the document there as a link. Okay, so once he adds there, he can title it draft submissions, and then describes it, skeleton submissions to be worked on by the rest of the team. And then you can select the documents to be submissions there. Okay, so once this has been added under matters, so you can see any other advocate who is part of this firm, when he comes and searches for the matter Chief Justice David Maraga, he can go to the documents and he'll be able to access the draft submissions. Or he can go to documents directly and view the draft submissions there. Now this is another advocate. So he will open the link and then he'll proceed to edit. You see there it shows Gerald Kitty. So if there's another person who has been added to the document, he'll also be shown somewhere there. And to add them to the document, you just click share, add their different emails. As you can see, there's another advocate here who has been added to the same document, but you can add their emails and proceed. So imagine this document is being worked on by 4 other advocates who are situated in different localities. You know, how beautiful is that? You get something very comprehensive, something very persuasive. Someone could be looking for authorities, another one could be crunching down the argument, another one could be looking at the case history, and it really makes work a lot easier. Remember, this task was assigned remotely by the managing partner. It was received remotely. The person logged into the system, did the necessary, went to Google Docs, shared it on the system, on the law firm, had everyone else get involved in the matter. So now, assuming the work is complete, so this person will come, the final bit is complete. Sorry, the final bit is complete. The lawyer will come here and download the document as PDF document. There you have it. So now it's a PDF document. As you can see, it's been converted to PDF. Remember, the e-filing portal only allows PDF documents, okay? So this is not signed. So I'll also want to show you how to sign PDF documents. So you save this, say submissions, judiciary, be signed, right? Save it in a folder. So now that it has been saved and you want to sign it, you go to that particular folder, type submissions, this one, be signed. You open it with Adobe. Adobe now is the tool to facilitate online signatures, or the tool that I use. There could be others out there. So now here is the document. You want to authenticate it, to attest it, sorry. So you'll come down there, choose your signature. I have a number of my signatures saved online. Choose that one. Come and sign it right there and save. Save. Yes. So now we have a document that is complete. So before you file, before you have a copy of the document in the law firm, ensure that it's filed. So now you come to the e-filing portal. This, remember, was an ongoing case. So it is this one. You come, view, make additional filing there. The person who's filing is the Chief Justice. The document type is submissions. You just search for it there. You choose the file. You go to where the folder of the file is there, and then you choose submissions. Submissions, judiciary to be signed, right? And then you open. Then you proceed to upload. There you have it. So it's uploaded. You may want to submit and pay. Ensure that you're sure about that. And then you'll proceed and make payments. Okay. Now, you can view file. Sorry, you can download and view file and see if the files are what you have uploaded. So now, once you've uploaded to the judiciary portal, you still come to the farm. Remember, this was a draft submission. Whatever you had here was a draft submission, but now you want to have the final document added. So you might want to add the final document, which was submissions to be filed, to be signed. Submissions to be signed. There you go. So this you title as filed submissions. You can say the same was filed on the 27th of June 2020. Now remember, these are the records in the farm. Okay, these are the records in the farm. There are submissions, and then you add. Now, since you've added there, you can now view the document in question in the farm. So now you know we actually did file the submissions, and the submissions are these ones. So as the case progresses, you have your record in the farm, and you have your record at the judiciary. But other than that, this legal practice management software helps you to coordinate your team and to be able to work remotely. Now, assuming the case progresses even further and you have this record, you'll be able to pay reference to all such records remotely because they are downloaded, they are scanned, they are uploaded in the system. And look how clean they are compared to any scanning papers. See, this is a conversion of Word to PDF, so it's pretty clean compared to the scanned papers. Anyway, so now once that's done, I proceed to the task that I was assigned by the partner, and I say I have completed the task. See, this will change because I assigned myself, right? So now, since I said I've completed the task, it's now turned green. The person who assigned me the task, it happened to be me, will get this approved task. After reviewing it online, going to the document that you shared and reviewing the document that I shared right there. Let me just show you again. So after coming here and seeing the document, this filed submission. So the partner will just come and view the document that was filed and see that the work was done well, then approve it. Alternatively, before the same is filed, the same procedure happens. The person who was assigned says that he has completed the task. The partner reviews whatever they have uploaded or in that draft submissions, and then if he's impressed, gives them a go-ahead to file, and then would come and say that the task has been approved here. So ladies and gentlemen, that's how the legal practice management interfaces with the e-filing portal. Of course, we'll be covering more on how to use the e-filing portal. There's still a lot to be covered. How to initiate e-service, how to respond after the initiator has filed their documents, how to correspond with the registry. There's still a lot that needs to be covered. But that's it from me. I am Wakili Kitty or Gerald Kitty or Lewas Kitty. I'm a tech innovator. I'm part of the Patafile team. In case you need the Patafile solution, it's only 700 bob per user per month. and my number is 0718242850. 0718242850. You might want to reach out to me directly and we'll be happy to onboard you. Thank you.